Hey Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that I'm using in my own business when products are out of stock. So let's dive right into it. So I'm in the Shopify app store now to show you the two apps that I'm using in my own business if products go out of stock in my online store. The one strategy is basically to collect an email address on the product page if a product is out of stock. So people can leave their email address there and they will get a notification once the product is back in stock. I want to show you on this app that I have used successfully in my store on how it looks in their example store. So you see here, we have a product page here and down here, it asks, basically puts in whenever, and it does it automatically, whenever a product goes out of stock, then this will be automatically put into your product page. So you don't need to do anything manual here. And then it says item is out of stock, notify me, enter your phone number and email address below to be notified when this item is back in stock. So you can obviously customize that as you like. You can change text and colors that everything fits your business and your layout, your color scheme, and so on and so forth. The main point here is that somebody comes to your website and does not end up on a website where it just says plainly sold out. I see that in many stores. People just leave products in their store when they're sold out. And obviously somebody coming to the product page will be disappointed that they made all the clicks through and then they come to a page where they can't buy actually from you. So that leaves some kind of a bitter taste on you as a company. So the best case scenario you can do there is offer them something that they still can buy the product if they want to wait, and then just leave their phone or their SMS phone number here to get a text message or their email address there to get an email whenever the product comes into store. Now that's one strategy, and I'm using that when I'm not really clear when the product will be back in store again or in stock again. So if you're uncertain and you don't know how long it takes, then just take the email address, and then if you're lucky, people are still interested in the product when it's back in store and is available and will come back and buy from you. But at least it shows a little bit of service from your side and that you really care about the customer. The other strategy falls in there. This is an app, it's called Pre-Order now, and it already tells you the story. So with Pre-Order, I have used that quite often when my products are in production and I know from the factory when it will be delivered to my warehouse. So I have a clear timeline when the product will be available again. So if it's not longer than like 30 days, for instance, instead of just collecting the email address or the phone number for text message, I will use this app. Because 30 days is something that people are willing to wait, shouldn't be longer than that. And then you offer a pre-order. So it's sort of a Kickstarter idea behind that. So people basically already pay for your product. But this app makes sure that it will, first of all, not be processed in the back end of Shopify. And but you collect the order and it will be tagged with pre-order or whatever you want to tag it with. And then once the product is back, then you simply can go into your order fulfillment in Shopify and filter by everything that has been tagged with pre-order and start fulfilling the orders then. Big advantage here is that you're collecting the money right away. So people go on pre-order, they go through the checkout process, they pay, you collect the money upfront, and once the product is available, you ship it out. Now, key here is that you are really upfront and clear with your customer what's happening and communicate with the customer also along the way when the product will be available and so on and so forth. Because if you don't do that, people will be under the impression that they just bought it and it should be delivered in the next few days. So make really clear that not only here, but also in a confirmation email, and that will be sent out from this app. So it's a different one than the normal confirmation mail, that they exactly know a timeline on when they can expect delivery. So if it's 30 days and then it gets shipped out, then just say will be shipped out in 30 days. Part of it, and it's fully customizable, does the app. So you see here, you can obviously change the text here, pre-order now. You can highlight when the delivery will be or when the shipping will start, and make really, really clear what it is. Goes even further, if you add it to the cart, you see here there will be a note here which you also can customize on the pre-order item, so that people really understand it's not a instant purchase. It will not be delivered immediately anytime soon, but it is a pre-order item. I had great success with both strategies. So whenever a product goes offline or is on back order, then I use one or the other strategy, and I continue making money, or at least collecting leads in my store. I hope that makes sense. If you have any interest in getting help in your own store, then maybe my e-commerce coaching program might be something for you. If that's something that interests you, then message me and then I'll get you all the details for that. That's it for today. See you in the next video and have a good day. Bye-bye.